Hello, and welcome to another episode of Allotment Gardening with Johanne here in Edlington Allotments in Doncaster. And today is the 22nd of December, I think. Yeah, so just about 3 days before Christmas. So, firstly, um, thanks to everyone who has been with us this year, who have watched our videos, who have liked it, who have commented, who have reached out directly. We really appreciate you. And yeah, wishing you and your family all the best, for the new year. And we hope you have a very good Christmas season, with lots of cheer, lots of merriment, and lots of happiness. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate you. And yeah, hope to see you around in the new year. And yeah, we hope to give you very good content as well. And yeah, please keep on checking in on the videos. But most of all, for the new year, do get your garden going. If you have not started as yet, do get your garden going. Because it's so much yeah, it brings so much reward. And as I said, this second season, we're going to be talking a lot about the economics of gardening. So we planted some potatoes back in was it this August or September, and the plan was to to get some potatoes, for our Christmas dinner. So since Christmas is only 3 days away, and it's 9 degrees, so the ground is not frozen. Hopefully, we might get some snow in the next 2 days and have a nice white Christmas. Who knows? But in the meantime, the ground is nice and soft, so I'm going to dig up some potatoes now. I'm not sure if it's a very economical this one, because with the supermarkets now, really cheers up, really hats off to them, for they have lots of vegetables, even bags of potatoes, for only 15p. So no family should go hungry, for the Christmas. And if it's within your power, to share something, with the less fortunate, for the Christmas season, please do so, because it is the season for sharing. And hopefully, we also get some nice potatoes here, so that we can share in the chair. Yeah. So again, it's a mystery because you never know what's lie under there. We may have to go to the supermarket and buy some potatoes for 15p. Who knows? But again, the joy of these, these are nice organic potatoes, and the ones in the supermarket, rest assured, it's not organic. Yeah. So let's see. You can see here. I think that's one. That's two. It's about three, four. Yeah. So I think let's start. Oh, should we start there? Should we start? I'm gonna start by the big mountain here, and let's see what's under there. Woo! Looks like we will be having nice homegrown potatoes for Christmas dinner. That's all right. Wow, I'm quite chuffed. No 15p potatoes here. We can see that the bottoms have gotten to a few of them already. Left them a bit too long in the ground, I think. I think there is enough for sharing. Sharing with the atoms. All right. I think that was like at least the stem was about the biggest one. Yeah, got a few there. This might be the head. A few more. Yeah. This one is a bit green. Let's check them in here. This might be the head. I'm gonna sink this back into the ground. Ah, a nice one. It's going green. Usually when the soil has not covered them, they go green. I'm just gonna chuck those in the compost. So not too much from that one. One here as well. One. Oh, one is better than zero. Oh, two. Yeah, I must say I did not really give these potatoes much love and attention. I think I may plant maybe potatoes or onions here. So still got two to go. All is not lost. That's a nice, lovely one. Oh, the other ones are having their fists here. Yeah, I guess we're sharing the spoils with the atoms. Uh-oh, the fuck got that one. There's some giant earthworms. So they're so good for the soil. Sign of healthy soil. And then we've got one more. Not sure if I planted any. Yeah. Oops. Oops. Ooh, nice little potatoes here as well. Yeah. So if you ask me, I think potatoes for Christmas dinner was a success. Yeah, so thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I think that's more or less the video for today. And yeah, I think this is more than enough, for a couple dinners. We'll definitely feed a family of 3 for Christmas dinner. So until next time, again, wish you and your family very happy holiday season. I'll catch you in the next episode.